Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get bright settings in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have your achievements. And in the bottom left corner, we have the store. Also, in the top right corner, as you can see, we have the settings. And in the bottom right corner, the start, where you can go and start a game, of course. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and get bright settings in Call of Duty Mobile. So to get bright settings in Call of Duty Mobile, follow these steps. Firstly, launch the game on your device. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu. So in the top right corner, you can go and click on that. Then select the Basic tab from the left-hand side menu. So under Controls, you have Basic, that is the second thing. Then tap on Graphics and increase the brightness level to your preference. Turn on Dynamic Graphics for more vibrant colors and improved visibility. These adjustments should help you see better in-game, especially in darker environments. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always,